Hi everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to log out of your Discord account from all devices in just a few simple steps. This is really useful if you've logged in on multiple devices or want to secure your account quickly. So, let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your mobile device. Now, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the settings icon at the top right. Scroll down a bit and tap on Devices. Here, you'll see a list of all devices where your account is currently logged in. If you want to log out from a specific device, simply tap the X icon next to it. But if you want to log out from all devices at once, tap on Log Out All Known Devices. Now, enter your Discord account password and tap Submit. And that's it. You'll be logged out from all devices instantly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more useful tips. Thanks for watching.